friends of the twins, this is Rhonda here, and I'm back with another video in my series of Christmas videos that I'm doing here in my home. And Shonda hopes to have her first video of the season up hopefully by this weekend. But we're going to start here at my kitchen island. And for starters, I want to share with you this beautiful set of Apothecary jars that I recently got from HSN. Now this is the gold color, but this set also comes in silver and a beautiful blue color. This set of 3 was $54.99. Now you know your girl Rhonda, I like the big, the bold, and the beautiful, so I went with this set. But you can also get this same set of 3 in a smaller size, and I want to say they're about maybe $10 cheaper. But I'm going to leave this link down in the description box below in case any of you are interested in it. Now I'm not going to use all 3 for my Christmas Island vignette, but you will see the other 2 used in a later video. I'm going to be making a floral arrangement to serve as my centerpiece, and I want to share with you what I'm going to be using. First off, look at these beautiful velvet leaves on these flowers with a gold trimming. I got these at Hobby Lobby and they are just absolutely gorgeous. The white petals are also velvet, and they have a beautiful piece of jewelry, I'll call it a piece of jewelry, right in the center of them. I just fell in love with these. They are just so gorgeous. And these were $19.99 and 50% off, so I paid $10 per stem and I bought 2 of them. And next I'm going to share with you these beautiful stems, and what you're not seeing on camera is that they're actually in glitter, so they have a glitter on them, and I got these from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. Then we'll move on over to these feather picks, and I also got these at Hobby Lobby. I don't really remember the price of them. And then this beautiful ribbon is the same as what I've used on my Christmas tree in my family room, and I'll link that video, the Christmas tour, up in the description box for you also. These beautiful berry picks with the snow on them, Hobby Lobby, yep, you guessed it. These gold stems, I've had these for a while. I got these at Hobby Lobby, no, Home Goods. And these are also from Home Goods, and I've had these, I want to say about 3 years now. And now, friends, I'm going to show you how I put together this floral arrangement. And I want to go ahead and make a disclaimer. I am by no means a pro at floral arranging. I've never taken a class or anything like that, although I would absolutely love to. I just kind of wing it. And in the bottom of this Apothecary jar, I don't have any kind of foam or anything like that to anchor the stems in. Like I said, I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants. And also with the stems, I have not cut any of them. What I did was just bent them to give me the different varying heights. I don't like to cut stems on my flowers because, you know, that's kind of too permanent for me, because I never really know what, when, or where I might want to use them again. And here I took a rubber band and banded these 2 berry picks together because I didn't want them falling apart in the arrangement. And you can also take some newspaper or a plastic bag, anything like that, and anchor it down inside of your container, and that'll also help to keep your picks from just kind of flailing around. Alright, now it is disclaimer time again. The family room and the kitchen are open to one another. So I knew that I wanted to use this ribbon that was left over from the Christmas tree. I wanted to use it here on this kitchen island vignette. But my disclaimer is I am somewhat bow challenged. I do the best that I can and I usually make it work. But I'm not the best at making bows. Now I have seen them done a couple of different ways, and so there are a couple of other techniques that I'm going to be trying out, and I'll try to figure out, you know, what's easiest for me and what feels the most comfortable. And now finally we're going to start decorating. These candle holders were bought at Inspire Me Home Decor, and I'll have these linked in the description box down below for you also. And now I'm going to go silent for the rest of the video. I hope that you'll enjoy what I put together. Friends, always make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.